Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Roblox account without your email or phone number. So first is to go to roblox.com where you can see that you can log into your Roblox. So in any case that you don't have your email or your password, then what we can do is just to tap here your forgot password or username, and then in this box we will not fill in since we forgot our email. Then we'll try to use phone number to reset instead. So just simply type your phone number in here and tap submit. And then for the verification, all you have to do is just to answer or this puzzle, and then you can now verify your phone by the code that will be sent and also by fixing your birth date. So hopefully this would help. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.